Good day, everyone. In today's modern world, technology continues to evolve at an incredible pace, connecting not only people but also devices we use every day. One of the most transformative innovations driving this change is the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT refers to a network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, appliances, and even entire buildings that are equipped with sensors, softwares, and network connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data. This technology is what powers the development of smart homes and smart cities, and where systems operate intelligently, efficiently, and automatically, improving both comfort and sustainability. So, what roles do computer engineering and information technology play in making all of this possible? Computer engineering focuses on designing and developing the hardware and embedded systems that bring IoT devices to life. These include microcontrollers, sensors, and communication interfaces that allow machines to sense their surroundings and respond intelligently. For example, microcontrollers such as the ESP32 serve as the brain of the many IoT devices, processing signals from sensors and executing programmed actions. On the other hand, information technology focuses on software, networking, and data management aspects of IoT. IT ensures that the data collected from devices is transmitted, stored, and analyzed securely. It also involves cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics, which help interpret raw data into meaningful information that can be used for automation and decision making. Together, these two fields create the foundation of IoT, combining physical system and digital intelligence to make environment smarter and more responsive. In smart homes, IoT makes life more convenient and efficient. Devices such as smart thermostat, door locks, and security cameras can all be controlled remotely using a smartphone. This system learn from user behavior, helping conserve energy and increase safety. In smart cities, IoT plays an even larger role. It enables technologies like smart traffic lights that adapt to real-time traffic flow, environmental sensors that monitor air quality, and waste management systems that signals when bins are full. All these contribute to building cities that are cleaner, safer, and more sustainable. In conclusion, computer engineering provides the intelligence and structure that allows IoT devices to function, while information technology ensures that communication, data handling, and security are properly managed. Together, they bring the Internet of Things to life, transforming our homes, cities, and ultimately the way we live. Through innovation and collaboration, we are not just connecting devices. We are building a smarter, more connected world. Alright, thank you.